The math object is really just a collection of functions and constants relating to mathematical operations. There's the abs function, which returns the absolute value of a number, floor, which returns the largest integer less than or equal to the argument, ceil, which returns the smallest integer larger than or equal to the argument, pow returns base to the exponent power, random generates a pseudo-random number between 0 and 1, and round, which rounds to the nearest integer. Okay, so to demonstrate math.abs, firstly I'll try that with a positive number, 4.2. The absolute value of 4.2 is 4.2, that's correct. If I call the abs and pass negative 4.2, we expect the absolute value of negative 4.2 is also 4.2. Math.floor, remember it returns the largest integer less than or equal to the number. So if we call math.floor and pass 1.909, the expected value is 1. Calling floor on a negative number, it's going to behave the same way, so we'll get -2. The inverse of floor is ceil, so it returns the smallest integer larger than or equal to the number. So calling ceil for 1.909 should result in +2, and calling ceil for negative 1.909 should result in -1. To calculate 3 to the power of 2, we call math.pow, first argument 3, second argument 2, and we get the expected value 9. If I call math.random, it's going to return a random number between 0 and 1, so this time 0.84. Obviously, if I call it again, I expect to get a different value, and I do, 0.42. Math.round returns the nearest integer value, so if I round 2.5, that should round up to 3. And if I round -2.2, then I expect that to round up to -2.